Hi Ghosts and Ghouls, welcome back. So this is sort of a part 2. I just did a video on how I do my face paint, 3 different methods to put face paint on, and now I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup for Vriska Serket. So first things first, when you do your normal makeup, pretend your skin is actually gray. Usually you would start with foundation. Let's say that my foundation's already on. Then I usually go in with a setting powder and a concealer, and then blush, contour, and highlight. So I'm gonna start with, this is a Shine Control powder. It's a translucent powder. There's no color to it. Well, it looks like there's color in the pan, but it's really quite colorless. So I'm just gonna use that to set my face real fast. Next step is contour. You probably should use a medium gray eyeshadow or something like that to contour. I don't have that, I have black. So I'm just gonna use a really light hand, and I'm gonna get some of the powder off on my arm before I put it on my face. Just because I don't want a really harsh black line on my face. And I'm going to use this sort of cool shape. So I'm just lightly tapping into the black eyeshadow. I swiped off most of it, and then that's all I'm gonna do with the black, because the rest of my contouring I'm gonna do with blue. It's a little harsh, but we want to be a little drag queenish because this is cosplay makeup. If it's too much for you, you can blend it out. Even go in with a clean brush. Let's see. Just sort of make it less harsh. Okay. Then blush. So for Vriska, I'm going to use a blue eyeshadow. I have this, which is from Decay. I'm definitely gonna have to wash my brushes after this, because these are the brushes that I use for my everyday makeup, which means this pink brush is about to turn blue, but that's okay. So again, I'm being really exaggerated with this because I do want to show off that she has blue blood. Now I'm gonna use this highlighter, which is, it's a blue, it's like a white highlighter with a blue undertone. I'm gonna use this to highlight. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, which I usually just do those with black eyeshadow, the same one I used for my contour, and an angled brush. I used to do them with gel eyeliner, which made them really harsh, and I would not recommend doing that. I'm kind of following the natural shape of my eyebrows. If you want to do a funny shape or like change the shape of your eyebrows, you can. I have like a pretty naturally high arch, and I like that for Vriska, so I leave it alone. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Mine are more like cousins 3rd times removed. Now, if you're like me and you have an essential hand tremor, then you definitely fucked up the inner corners of your eyebrows, so just go in with that same sponge you use to put your makeup on and fix it. And by fix it, I mean possibly make it worse, but like, does anyone care? I don't. Now that your eyebrows look sufficiently horrible. Seriously, don't do your eyebrows like me. I don't know how to do them. Okay, I'm gonna do my lipstick now because this stuff takes a hot second to dry and it's really uncomfortable while it's drying. So I'm gonna let it dry while I do my eyeliner. This is a blue color from Sugarpill. Eyeliner. And then mess this up 100%, but that's okay. Then you realize you should have done your eyeshadow before your eyeliner. Now I'm taking a blue eyeliner pencil and just going in my waterline. I don't know if you guys can hear my brother, but he sounds like Gamzee is in the next room, like fucking high out of his mind. Okay, now I'm gonna do my wing. Where did my eyeliner go? There it went. Okay, so this is almost a finished look. I'm just going to put on some false lashes and mascara and fake teeth and ears, and I'll be right back. And that's the whole finished look. I'm gonna go put a wig on. Who is she? And we're done. So I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, stay indoors. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. This is so out of character for Vriska. What do I give a shit? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, or I will kill you and feed you to my Lucis.